have his client, Ms. Walker. Now calling the matter of the people versus Saquandra Walker. This is Z ticket 808266. This is one count of operating with a high VAC. This is the date and time set for a pretrial, a final pretrial in this matter. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jabari Prempeh, P81745, on behalf of Ms. Saquandra Walker, present via Zoom, who also consents to proceeding via Zoom. Ms. Walker, would you please state your name for the record?
Saquandra Walker.
All right, how do you want to proceed today, Attorney Prempeh?
Your Honor, my client wants to accept the people's offer to resolve her matter today, and that's a guilty plea to an OWVI.
Is that right, Ms. Walker?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, ma'am?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Ms. Walker, did you have an opportunity to talk with your attorney, Mr. Prempeh, in private about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Say that again.
Yes, ma'am. Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand that by taking this plea today, that you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in this matter? You understand that, ma'am?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, you want to move forward today? Understanding this, ma'am, you want to keep going with this plea today?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I want to take your attention back to the date of April the 1st of 2021. Were you driving a vehicle in the area of Archer Street and Vassar Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
And while you were driving that vehicle, were you under the influence of alcohol?
Yes.
Satisfied, attorney?
So satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, the court is satisfied as well and will accept the plea to the amended charge of operating while visibly impaired. Okay, Ms. Walker?
Yep.
You are going to have to call what's called probation. And you'll be back for a sentencing day. They'll give me recommendations on what they believe some services you need or things they want you to complete in this matter. And then we'll come back for sentencing. So here's the phone number you need to call. You ready to take it down, ma'am?
Yep.
313-965-3414.
And this is the probation office number?
It is the probation office number. You're going to come back for sentencing on July the 2nd, 2022. Is that I said second. July 2nd is what I said, right?
Yes.
Yep.
Okay. I want to make sure that's not a weekend day. For some reason I said it is. That's a Saturday. I thought so. What about 5th? Yeah. July 5th. I'm sorry, ma'am. That July 2nd is a Saturday. July 5th. That's going to be at 8:30 a.m. for sentencing, okay?
Okay.
All right. You have any questions, Ms. Walker?
No, ma'am.
Okay, I'll see you back via Zoom. It's going to be via Zoom as well, okay? For the sentencing.
Okay.
All right, ma'am. But make sure to call them because and tell them what date you're being sentenced so they can make sure they do everything before that date, okay?
Okay.
All right, ma'am. There's nothing further. I thank you so much. I thank you, Attorney Prempeh.
Absolutely. Thank you, Your Honor. Have a great day.
You both have a great day. Thank you.
You too. Thank you.
All right. Bye-bye, Ms. Walker. Okay. Yes.
So you had on your desktop.
I know. It's okay. You know, I like to know my holidays, so.
I'm like, shit, that's not.
Well, because, you know why I know? Because I was gonna do my investment journal July first. And then one of my really good friends, Denise, was going to do the CEO. So, I'm
Attorney Faulkner.
Yes.
For Chanel Whitman, I have to give the file back to John because she had additional offers. I mean, she had additional cases.
Okay.
And then did you receive an offer for Emmanuel Williams?
Emmanuel Williams?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, I have that.
Count 3 is the state matter, so that's not on the offer.
Let me see.
So the judge is going to take a look at that.
Oh. Oh, you know, I sent her over this. I did. I sent her over a copy of this because count 3 is consuming marijuana while operating motor vehicle. And so let me see if she has a response for it. I sent her this ticket a while ago.
Okay. Oh, man. Mary,
Yes.
you have an offer for Joshua Wallace?
Right. No, not yet. Not yet.
Okay.
Did you get an offer for Bobby White?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so are you ready on anyone?
Yes.
Okay, who are you ready on?
Might as well get rid of the interpreter, let her get on her way. Wazani or
Yeah, I really know.
he's in breakout room 1.
Right. Who else are you ready on?
Brittany Williams, Chanel Williams, Bobby White.
Oh, you spoke with them already. Oh,
Yeah, Bobby White. Oh, wait a minute, maybe I haven't. Yeah, he's the first one I talked to.
okay.
He had his hand up wanting
Okay,
help.
who's
So,
the other one? Chanel Whitman?
Chanel Williams.
Okay, Chantel Williams. So you haven't spoken with Joshua Wallace because he hasn't had an offer yet, right?
I haven't seen. That's right.
I don't know why. Mr. Wallace?
Yes.
Okay, we have to get an offer for your cases. Can you go back into the breakout room?
Say what?
You talking to somebody else for the breakout?
Not you, Mr. White.
You on me? Look. Hello? Yeah.
Mr. White, can you take your device on mute for me?
Tell them to turn off the TV while you're in court.
Hello? Yes.
Mr. Wallace, can you go back into your breakout room?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. attorney that just. Okay. Attorney O'Day, Maru,
Yes, good morning, Your Honor.
Mr. Clerk, good
Oh,
morning.
morning.
Who are you here for this morning?
Whitfield, Isa 2 Whitfield. She's actually in Africa and is unable to attend the hearing. I was just asking for an adjournment.
Okay, because she's actually, scheduled for a review today.
I know it. Yeah, she doesn't have internet connection. I received word in Africa, so it was like a disturbing the peace or something.
All right, give me 1 second. Let me do some other matters of people who are on.
No problem. Thank you.
All right. I have an interpreter, Mr. Kamish.
Mrs. Kishmish, good morning.
Okay, thank you. I can't see you, so I don't know. There we go. Oh, you were here the other day.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning.
All right, and your client is, did he join us?
Wazni.
Okay, they didn't come into the main session. Yeah. All right. All right. So what I do is I swear, I call the case on the record first, then I'll swear you in.
Yes, Your Honor.
Wazini? Can you tell her to unmute herself? Oh, there she is.
سامية افتحي السماعة لو سمحت.
نعم سمعتك يلا.
All right. Can you turn on your camera for me too?
افتحي لنا الكاميرا كمان.
Yeah.
All right. For recording, can you hear me okay?
Yes, Judge.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Samaya Wazini. This is ticket number P1260062. Count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, improper plates. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name, ma'am?
اسمك مدام؟
سامية مصطفى وزاني.
Okay.
And this is the Arabic interpreter.
Yes, ma'am. And can you please state your name for the record?
Serene Kishmish, qualified Arabic interpreter.
Do you swear or affirm to interpret the English language to Arabic and the Arabic language to English to the best of your abilities?
I do.
All right, thank you. You can tell her what
Yeah.
happened.
هلا نحن صحنا ان القاضية نادت على القضية، حلفتني اليمين حتى انا ترجم لك وراح نكمل. Okay.
Thank you. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial, no, an arraignment on the information, Mr. Faulkner. How are we proceeding?
Your Honor, there is an offer. My client would plead
That's what you know. You got it.
guilty to unregistered motor vehicle, with the other two
Oh.
cases to be dismissed.
سألته كيف بدنا نكمل بهالقضية، عندنا 3 نقاط. قال لها الموكلة تبعي رح تقول إنه مذنبة سائد بسيارة غير مسجلة، والتنتين التانيين رح ينرفعوا أو ينلغوا.
Could she please raise her right hand?
ارفعي إيدك اليمين لو سمحتي.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
تقسمي إنك حتقولي الحقيقة وبس ولا شيء غير الحقيقة؟
نعم.
Yes.
She can put her hand down.
نزلي إيدك. Your Honor, if you can speak to her in a first person, that would make the interpreter job easier.
Okay, I can.
Thank you.
Did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
هل حكيتي مع المحامي قبل شوي في غرفة خاصة بخصوص حقوقك وبخصوص القضية؟
نعم.
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea?
هل في أي أحد هددك أو وعدك بأي إشي عشان تقولي إنك مذنبة؟
No.
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
أنت عم تقولي إنك مذنبة بخيارك الكامل.
نعم.
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
عم تقولي إنك مذنبة لأنك فعلا مذنبة، صحيح؟
نعم.
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up your right to have a bench or a jury trial?
كمان عم تفهمي إنه إذا قلتي اليوم إنك مذنبة ورح نكمل عم تتخلي عن حقك بمحاكمة عامة؟
نعم.
Yes.
Understanding all of this, do you still want to move forward?
بعد ما حكينا كل هالنقاط وفهمتيها بدك لساتك تكملي؟
Yes.
Yes.
I want to take her attention back to the date of October the 5th of 2021. Was she in the area of Plainview in Whitlock in the city of Detroit?
في شهر 10 يوم 5/2021 كنتي في مدينة ديترويت على وينتلاك والتقاطع؟
Yes.
Yes.
Was she driving a Suzuki vehicle at that time?
كنتي عم تسوقي سيارة سوزوكي
Yes.
بهداك النهار؟
Yes.
Yes.
And was that car not registered at the time?
السيارة ما كانتش مسجلة بهداك النهار، صحيح؟
Yes.
Yes.
All right. Satisfied, Attorney Faulkner?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
عم تسأل المحامي هل أنت مقتنع بالأجوبة؟ قال له نعم.
Is there a stipulation for probable cause and the remaining counts to be dismissed?
Yes, Your Honor.
هل توافق على اللي عرضناه ونلغي النقطتين الثانيين؟ قال له نعم.
Okay.
So at this
Thank you.
time, the court, you're welcome. The court is going to enter a plea to one count, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle, dismiss counts 2 and 3.
المحكمة رح تطلع لك حكم واحد سياقة بسيارة غير مسجلة وتلغي النقطتين الثانيين.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm going to assess a fine today, ma'am, in the amount of $200. How long will that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
رح تعطي لك غرامة بمبلغ $200. كيف بدك تدفعيها خلال 30 يوم ولا 60 يوم؟
لا بخلص بكير 30 يوم.
30 days. I want to be done with it.
Okay. I'm going to make it due no later than June the 8th, 2022. June 8th, 2022.
عندك لغاية يوم 8 شهر 6 2022.
معلش عيدي يا قلبي.
Repeat it please and the interpreter can repeat it. عندك لغاية يوم 8 شهر 6 شهر الجاي 2022 لتدفعيها.
Okay.
Okay.
There's nothing further. That concludes this hearing. Thank you, ma'am.
ما في أي شيء تاني وخلصت الجلسة. شكرا لك.
Thank you للكل حبيبة قلبي.
Awesome.
Thanks for everyone. Thank you, Honor. Have a great day.
Thank you يا حبيبي. شكرا جزيلا.
أهلا وسهلا. مع السلامة. Have a great day, Honor. Bye-bye.
What do you want to do next, Attorney Faulkner?
Oh, Brittany Williams, fine.
This is the person. other attorney out real quick. Mr. McGrath, Mr. McGrath.
Good morning, Your Honor. O'Day Mayorway P76460 on behalf of Isa 2 Whitfield.
I was just calling to get you on the screen. I'm not ready yet.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna call the case now. All right, now calling the matter of the people versus Isa 2 Whitfield. This is ticket number P1231726. This is one count of disorderly conduct. Today was the day and time set for a review of this matter. It was on a 3-month delayed sentence. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel. Sir, you're on mute.
Oh, good morning, Your Honor. O'Day Mayorway P76460 on behalf of Isa 2 Whitfield, who is not present.
All right. It's my understanding that your client is out of town. Is there a reason? How long
She's in
will she be out?
She's in Africa visiting family. She'll be back in 2 months.
Wow.
And
She decided not to handle this before she left?
I guess not, Your Honor. She thought she could handle it from Zoom from there, but the internet is not working the way she wanted it.
Okay. I mean, it's up to her as long as she gets no new contacts here. She'll
Right.
be fine. Okay.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
August 2nd. Okay.
Perfect.
August 2nd,
See you then.
2022, 8:30 a.m. via Zoom. Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Attorney Clemens, your client came out here for some reason. I don't know why. Would you like him to go back to the breakout room so you can talk to him briefly?
No, thank you.
Let me see. Let me see if I can find. Mr. Brockman, you need to stop walking too. Williams Brockman, you gotta stop walking. I don't know where you're going, but you need to find the place and get there. Wherever you're doing. Okay, finish walking. Listen. You in court.
You talk.
Counsel, just give me a moment, okay? On yours. I'm gonna go back to Attorney Faulkner and get some of these other folks out of here real quick. Miss Brittany Williams, can you hear me okay?
Yes, I can. Good morning.
Good morning. Now calling the matter of the people versus Brittany Williams. This is case number 195222452. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Also calling case number 194170191. One count, no operator's license on person. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name, ma'am?
Brittany Williams.
Your Honor, there is an offer to dismiss the no operator's license and reduce the drawing license suspended the improper plates. My client accepts the offer.
Is that right, Ms. Williams?
Yes, that's right.
If so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down.
Okay.
Ms. Williams, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking the guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, I do.
All right, ma'am. I want to take your attention back to the date of July the 15th of 2019. Were you in the area of East Forest and Van Dyke in the city of Detroit, driving a Ford vehicle?
Yes.
And while you were driving that vehicle, was your license suspended at the time?
Yes.
Satisfied, Attorney Faulkner?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Is there a stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
Yes, Your Honor.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to the amended charge of improper plates, dismiss ticket number or case number 1941719 as a part of the plea. Ma'am, my fine is typically $200. Are you able to pay that in 30 or 60 days?
Your Honor, if I may, Miss Williams, did you post a bond?
Yes, I did.
$600?
800.
800. Ask the court to take the money out of the bond, Your Honor.
All right, money will be taken out of the bond. You'll pay all your costs and fees, and anything left will be returned to you. If you owe a Secretary of State fee, it'll be taken out of that bond as well, but the remainder money will be returned to you, okay, ma'am?
Okay, thank you so much.
You are so very welcome. If there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. You have a good day, Ms. Williams.
You too. Thank you, Your Honor. Stay blessed.
You're very welcome.
And thank you, attorney.
No problem.
Have a great day.
Thanks, you too.
Bye-bye.
Bye now.
He said, ask John if he could stay there just until he gets a place.
Which will be forever. Yeah, he knows that.
Oh.
I don't think so. You
And
can ask him.
we would pay him $500, except, what, you really think so?
I don't know, Wesley. I better. I'm busy. I can't do that.
Temporary, just say temporary. Just say. You have to give us an area, and we'll help you find something.
Hey, Barry, how you doing? What are you doing with Bobby White?
Plea, Your Honor.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Mr. White, you can unmute yourself.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. White. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Bobby White. This is case number 18220-989, count 1, stop street and or intersection fail to stop. Also calling ticket number 220990, count 1, no operator's license on person, count 2, no insurance, and ticket number 474607, 1 count, never acquired operator's license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. And your name, sir?
Bobby White.
Your Honor, there's an offer of my client to plead guilty to improper plates with the remaining tickets to be dismissed.
All right, you want to take advantage of that, Mr. White?
Yes, Your Honor.
Please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
You can put your hand down. Mr. White, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes, Your Honor.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date, sir, January 11th of 2018. Were you at that time driving a Dodge vehicle in the area of Beaubien and Macomb Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes, Your Honor.
And while you were driving that vehicle, did you not have any car insurance on it at the time?
No, Your Honor.
Satisfied, Attorney Faulkner?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Is there a stipulation for probable cause of the remaining counts to be dismissed?
Yes, Your Honor.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to the amended charge of improper plates on ticket 220990, count 2. Dismiss count 1 of that ticket. Dismiss ticket number 474607 and case number 182209891. Sir, I'm going to assess a fine today in the amount of $200. How long will that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days, sir?
30 days, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. I'm going to give you until June 8th, 2022 to have that paid. Okay, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. And Mr. White, that doesn't include any fees you may owe to the Secretary of State's office. But when you pay it, you'll be able to see whether or not you have any of those. Okay? Those are usually $45. Okay?
Okay, yeah. Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
You're very welcome, Mr. White. You have a good day, okay?
You too, ma'am.
I will, thank you.
Yeah, you done?
Okay, I don't know why she. We're getting the offers on the rest of them right now, so.
Chantel Williams, I've talked to.
I don't have an offer on her.
Well, it's probably because it's unregistered is the only charge, which can't be reduced.
Oh.
That might be the reason.
Windshield.
She has defective windshield too. We usually have the civil infractions too. We make them a part of the pleas if they have an.
Okay, well, she has a receipt that she sent to the court. She called the court and asked them about the windshield. And they said, send in your receipt and you'll hear from the court. And she never heard. She sent it in. But she has it with her now.
She paid it. She paid the
She
fine.
did that. She got it repaired and she also has the registration. I've seen it. And it's valid at this time.
Well, yeah, if you've seen the registration and she attempted to submit the documentation for the windshield, I'm satisfied.
She has it, Mr. Gillis.
Sounds good to me, Mr. Faulkner.
I want to get my bills together before I'm sitting in court. You know, my life together. while I'm sitting in court. Tickling my funny bone this morning, boy, I tell you, my brother cracking up too. Like my life. Now calling the matter of the people versus Chantel Williams. This is ticket number P1210751. This is one count drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2 defective windshield. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name, ma'am?
Chantel Williams.
Your Honor, my client has submitted that I've seen myself the valid registration and also receipt for fixing the windshield. I'd move to dismiss both matters.
Having been an officer of the court and seeing valid documentation, the court is going to dismiss these matters without prejudice today. Ma'am, make sure you always keep your car registered and all your documents on you at all times, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're very welcome. You have a good day, okay?
You too. Thank you, Mr. Faulkner as well.
That's my pleasure.
I just have a couple more people to talk to, Mr. Faulkner. Attorney Clements? Mr. Williams Brockman?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now calling the matters of the people versus Matthew Williams Brockman. This is case number SP 963876. Count 1, registration and or plate violation. Count 2, no valid registration certificate. Count 3, failed to use seatbelt assembly system. Also calling case number 183199121. One count, no operator's license on person. Case number 154643651. One count, pedestrian walk and roadway when sidewalks provided. Ticket number P 10844134. Count 1, driver's license never acquired. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Count 3, registration and or plate violation. This is the date and time set for a bench trial in these matters. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, good morning. My name is Adam Clements, P number 77233, appearing on behalf of the defendant Matthew Williams Brockman, who's also present.
And sir, can you state your name for the record, please?
Matthew Williams Brockman.
Today is the date and time set for a bench trial. The officer did appear on tickets SP 9638761, counts 1, 2, and 3. However, at this time, he is moving to dismiss these matters. How do you want to proceed with the other tickets, attorney?
Your Honor, we'd like to proceed forward to trial at this time.
All right. The time is now 10:09 a.m. No officers have checked in on the remaining counts. Is there a motion, counsel?
In light of that, Judge, being that the government was on notice of today's hearing, we'd ask that the court dismiss this matter without prejudice.
All right. The court is going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Sir, they can refile these remaining matters if they would like to, but otherwise you're all set for today, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. If there's nothing further, that concludes the hearing. Have a good day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Take it easy.
You're welcome. All right. Thank you both.
Thanks, Adam.
Yep.
I'll go in and see Emmanuel Williams. I got an offer for him.
Okay.
Attorney Parker, did you get an offer for Wallace and Whitman? She has the other two as well.
Let me check.
And I'm still
here.
trying to get the other count of Emmanuel Williams. I haven't had anyone respond back on count 3. I tried. That's Ms. Cole. Ms. Paula Cole.
Okay, I got Joshua Wallace.
Okay.
And then you should have Whitman too.
On this email, that it's just the one, just for Joshua. Well, just for Wallace.
Here's it right now. It's coming right now for Whitman.
Okay. I'll go in and talk to Emmanuel Williams. Number 6. Did you hear back on Emmanuel Williams from the state?
I did not. So, oh, you know what? It can be dismissed if they take the city offer. I just heard that.
Okay, sounds good.
All right.
Okay, okay, I'm going back in then.
Ready on everybody, or you still gotta speak to him?
I gotta talk to Joshua Wallace.
Okay, he was, just so you know, he originally was a trial date scheduled for the 2nd. He thought it was the 9th for some reason, but I have on the back of my documents that it was the 2nd. So he may just want another trial date.
Okay, we'll find out.
Okay.
Joshua and I didn't connect. he answered one time, said hello, hello. But then he didn't hear anything else, or I couldn't hear him after that. I waited a couple of minutes, but
Okay. I'll bring him
maybe it
on.
would.
Here he is. He comes back to the room. Mr. Wallace?
Yes, he said he couldn't hear me.
I know. I don't know why he couldn't hear you, but he couldn't when you were in the breakout room. And so he couldn't talk to you about your case and what you wanted to do today.
Correct. I could hear him, but he kept saying he couldn't hear me. Should I go back to the breakout room?
Yep, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. Hopefully he'll be able to hear you this time. I'm gonna put y'all both in breakout room number 2, okay?
Okay.
Go to that breakout room, okay? Try one
Okay.
more time, Mr. Faulkner. Hopefully you can hear him this time. Mr. Wallace, can you go to room 2?
Yes.
Okay, go to room 2. Ready, Attorney Faulkner?
Yes, Your Honor, on Wallace. He has his insurance is on his phone, and he knows how to send it. He doesn't know where to send it. I've seen his registration, but I couldn't see the insurance certificate.
Okay. I can, you can have him send it to Miss Edwards. You want me to just bring him out, tell him to send it there?
Yeah, if you would, please, Your Honor. I can't get involved in that stuff. I don't know anything about it.
Okay. Everyone, please keep yourself on mute until I call your matter. Mr. Wallace, I'm going to send you an email chat of the address you send that insurance to. Please, I send that insurance to the email that I'm sending it to.
Okay. Should I write the email down?
Yes, I'm direct messaging you it right now. So you should have got a message from us.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, go ahead.
Ms. Whitman?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna call your matter. Now calling the matter of the people versus Chanel Whitman.
Your Honor, I was told there was going to be another offer sent. There was more cases for Ms. Whitman. That was my understanding.
I thought you
Which
said you talked to Mr. Faulkner.
I talked to her,
Mhm.
but then I was told that she had more tickets.
I did.
Okay, so she has, right now I have did you get an offer where it was her pleading to 2 tickets and then dismissing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8?
No, I had 4 tickets. 4 counts.
Okay. So if she pleads guilty to improper play.
Yes, ma'am.
2 counts of improper plates, the remaining tickets will all be dismissed.
You understand that, Ms. Whitman?
Yes.
You want to go ahead and do that?
Yes.
Okay.
Let me call it for the record. Now calling the matter of the people versus Chanel Whitman. This is ticket number P11955714. 1 count of improper plate. Ticket number P11849447. Count 1 improper plate. Count 2, drove while license not valid or improper license. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number P1195707. Count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2, drive while license suspended. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling ticket number SP1276478. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. In your name, ma'am.
Chanel Whitman.
Your Honor, there's an offer. My client plead guilty to 2 counts of improper plates. My client accepts that offer with the understanding the remaining tickets would be dismissed.
Is that right, Ms. Whitman?
Yes.
If so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, ma'am?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Ms. Whitman, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, do you still want to move forward?
Yes.
Ms. Whitman, can you sit up for me?
I just had surgery, but okay. Okay.
Oh, okay.
No, I'm okay. I can sit up on my knees.
You sure?
Yeah.
I don't want you to hurt yourself.
No, I'm fine.
Okay. All right. I want to take your attention back, ma'am, to the date of May the 4th of 2021. Were you in the area of Gratiot and St. Joseph in the city of Detroit driving a Lincoln vehicle?
Yes.
And while you were driving that Lincoln vehicle, did it have improper plates on it at the time?
Yes.
All right. I also want to take your attention to the date of June the 4th of 2021. Were you in the area of East Jefferson and Riopelle? I'm sorry, I said Riopelle streets in the city of Detroit driving a Lincoln vehicle?
Yes.
And while you were driving that vehicle, did your vehicle have improper plates on it at the time?
Yes.
All right. Satisfied, Attorney Faulkner?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is there a stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
Yes, Your Honor.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea on ticket P1195714 improper plates, on ticket P1184947 count 1 improper plates, dismiss counts 2 and 3. I'm also going to dismiss ticket P1195707, and I'm going to dismiss ticket number SP1276478 counts 1, 2, and 3. Ms. Whitman, did you post a bond on these matters?
No, I don't think so. I didn't, no, I had just went to go get my license though. But, my license, I got my driver's license now, but I never had, posted a bond or paid on the ticket.
I just want to make sure, okay? So I'm gonna set the fine. My fine is usually $200 per ticket. So that's $400 total. How long would that take you to pay? 60 or 90 days?
90.
Okay, is that gonna be enough time, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, and I usually don't go that high, but since you're getting so many tickets dismissed today, I gotta charge you a little bit of money, okay?
Okay.
All right, so $200 per ticket. I'm going to give you until August 8th, though, August 8th. Does that seem like enough time, ma'am?
Yes.
August 8th, 2022 to have those 2 tickets paid off. Yeah, you can, let me know when you get a sheet of paper. I'll repeat it for you because I appreciate you getting up to write this down.
Okay, I'm ready.
August the 8th, 2022, that's the date you need to have $400 paid to the court, okay? And you can pay it in increments, like you can pay 1 ticket 1 month and then pay another ticket the other month.
Okay.
All right, and the rest of your tickets will be dismissed. You may have reinstatement fees, but if you have your license back, then you don't have any. So,
Okay.
were you able to get your license?
Yes, I got my license.
So you may not have any, but you may, but otherwise, the rest of the fines will be at zero, okay? They're dismissed.
I have one question.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
know they gave me a court date on the 20th. Was that included in this?
It
as well?
was, so,
Okay.
hold on, 20th, you said?
Yep, it was,
Yeah, we pulled all your tickets, so you're all set. You don't have to come back to court. We pulled all your tickets.
okay, thank you.
You're very welcome, okay?
Okay.
All right. You have a good day, Ms. Whitman.
You too.
I will, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Emmanuel Williams? Okay, no.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, sir, I'm gonna handle your matter now. Mr. Wallace, did you send, before I handle your matter, Mr. Wallace, did you send that email to us?
Yes, I did, Judge.
Fantastic. I'll call yours after I call Mr. Williams, okay?
Okay.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Emmanuel Williams. This is ticket number P1252470. Count 1, open alcohol and motor vehicle driver. Count 2, drive with revoked license. Count 3, consuming marijuana while operating motor vehicle, motorboat, or operational off-road vehicle. I apologize. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner representing the defendant. Your name, sir?
Manuel Demetrius Williams.
Your Honor, there's an offer to amend the open alcohol motor vehicle from driver to passenger with the understanding the other two cases will be dismissed. My client accepts that offer.
Is that right, Mr. Williams? You accept that offer today?
Yes, ma'am.
If so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down, sir. Mr. Williams, did you have an opportunity to talk to Mr. Faulkner? He's an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights.
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand that by taking that guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of that, Mr. Williams, you still want to move forward today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I'm going to take your attention back to the date September the 20th of 2021. Were you in the area of Archdale and McNichols in the city of Detroit driving a Toyota vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
And while you were driving that vehicle, was there open alcohol in it on the passenger side?
Yes, ma'am.
Satisfied, attorney?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Is there stipulation for probable cause on the remaining 2 counts to be dismissed?
Yes, Your Honor.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to the amended charge of open alcohol in a motor vehicle. On the passenger side, I'm going to dismiss counts 2 and 3 of this ticket. Sir, my fine for open alcohol in a motor vehicle is $240 today, $240. You can't have open alcohol in vehicles, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry.
All right, I know. It's okay, Mr. Williams, okay? Just learn the lesson, because this is an expensive lesson, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, $240. How long would that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days, sir?
60.
Okay, that's gonna be enough time for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, July 8th is when it's due, July 8th.
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, thank you, Mr. Williams. You have a good day, okay?
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right.
All right, you're all set. All right, Mr. Joshua Wallace, I'm ready on yours. You can unmute yourself.
Okay. I'm here.
Are you able to activate your camera or no?
Yeah, let me walk out my job. Hold on. I'm sorry, I'm at work. Let me walk out.
It's okay, I understand. You've been very patient.
Okay.
All right. Can you take your head off for me real quick, Mr. Williams? Mr. Wallace, okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Joshua Wallace. This is case or ticket number P1233147. Count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner representing the defendant. Your name, sir?
Joshua Wallace.
Your Honor, my client has a registration. He showed it to me. It appeared to be valid. It is valid at this time according to the dates on the registration. He sent the insurance certificate by email, and I don't know if the court received it or not.
The court is in receipt of that. I have reviewed it, and it does appear that he now has valid insurance for that vehicle that he was ticketed with. And as an officer of the court, you having seen his registration, the court is going to dismiss this matter without prejudice at this time. Sir, you're all set. Make sure you always stay in compliance, or else you'll just get tickets like this again. Okay, Mr. Wallace?
I will, Judge. Thank you.
You're very welcome. If there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. Thank you, Mr. Wallace.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
You're welcome. Have a good day. All right, we have someone who checked in late. Mr. Kennard Williams, you're 2 hours late.
I'm sorry, I had to unmute myself. I apologize.
Why are you late this morning?
I had trouble logging in. I forgot how to, get on Zoom and all that stuff. And I lost my paperwork I got from 36th District. There's no excuse. I apologize.
Okay. All right. Mr. Faulkner, you got enough time if I can get an offer for him to handle him today?
Of course, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. Let me see if I can get the courtroom prosecutor back here. And if I can, then I'll have him give you an offer, and Attorney Faulkner will talk to you about your rights that you have today. Okay, sir?
Okay.
All right. Let me change your name real quick. Your last name is Williams, isn't it, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You're back for a minute. Okay, all right. Mr. Williams, I'm gonna put you into what's called a breakout room. You'll be the only person in there, but Attorney Faulkner will come in there as soon as he has an offer, okay? You're my last person for today. So as soon as he gets the offer, he's gonna come in there and talk to you about it. It may be about 10, 15 minutes, okay?
Okay.
All right, join breakout room number 1, please.
All right.
All right, Mr. Faulkner, you can just wait here until I get an offer, okay?
Okay, I'll just look and see if he was in the first batch of offers I got. I don't see him, no.
I don't see him either. He had a Raymond on a bench. Yeah, we don't have the file, so we're printing ROA, but it looks like just your regular fee. So it looks like improper license, no insurance, unregistered, untitled motor vehicle. So it's nothing too bad in there. I'll call you. That's fine. I just didn't wanna, you know what I'm saying? He's cutting off. I don't know what to do. He keeps trying to come on. He's been trying to come on for a while.
Oh, boy.
Yeah.
We sent it over, Attorney Faulkner, okay, the offer.
Okay. Any chance you could verbally give me that offer, Your Honor? I don't have it yet.
Yes, it's plea to drive unregistered untitled vehicle, dismiss the remaining 3 counts.
Okay. Good enough. Okay, I'll go in. He's
All right,
in,
thank you.
he's in, 1.
Yep.
We're ready, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Williams?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Madam Court Reporter, you can still hear us okay?
Yes, Judge.
Now calling the matters of People versus Kennard Williams. This is case number 204007121. Drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Case number SP 1119949. Count 1, drove while license not valid. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling case number 204007122. 1 count, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. In your name, sir?
Nard Williams.
Your Honor, is an offer my client would plead guilty to 1 count of unregistered motor vehicle with understanding the other cases will be dismissed. My client accepts that offer.
Is that how you want to move forward today, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. If so, please raise your right hand for me. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
You can put your hand down. Sir, have you had the opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today, Mr. Williams?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I want to take your attention back to the day of September the 2nd of 2020. Were you driving a Pontiac vehicle in the area of 7 Mile and Edinburgh Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you were driving that vehicle, was it unregistered or untitled at the time?
Yes, ma'am.
Satisfied, Attorney Faulkner?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Is there a stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
Yes, Your Honor.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to 1 count, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. I'm going to dismiss ticket number 204000122. And ticket number SP 1119949, counts 1 and 2. Mr. Williams, I'm gonna assess a fine. Did you pay a bond in this matter?
No, I believe, no, I don't think so. I don't think I had that.
I'm gonna assess a fine in the amount of $200. How long would that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
30 days is fine.
All right, I'm gonna have it due no later than June 8th, 2022. Okay, Mr. Williams?
Okay.
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set, sir. Okay, have a good day.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.